Hey guys, welcome to tutorial guru. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your DoDo Webmail account online on your computer, and now let's dive right in. Now to log into your DoDo Webmail account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in the address webmail.dodo.com.au like this, and hit on enter, and then you'll be redirected to the home page of DoDo Webmail, where you'll be able to log in directly from over here like this. And now you'll be required to enter your username over here like this, and after that enter your password like this. And after entering your username and your password, simply click on the login button over here to sign into your webmail of your DoDo account. And then guys, this is how you log into your DoDo webmail account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.